Most people dread even thinking about their heating and cooling. It's like thinking about braces when all you really want is a beautiful smile. I get it. Nobody really wants to think about this stuff until they have to. Too many opinions, too much confusion, and not enough straight talk. There is a better way. After years in this business, I realized homeowners don't need another salesperson. You need someone who can listen to you and make sense of it all. That's why I wanted you to have a more personal way to understand your home comfort. Here's a better way to think about it. Instead of sitting through pushy sales visits, you can learn everything through a short video chat, honest advice, and simple insights to help you see what's right for your home. No pressure, no guessing, just straight talk from someone who knows what it feels like. If you're curious to see how easy it can be, or how your system really measures up, take the Home Comfort Checkup. You'll get instant results, and they might point to a few smart improvements, or simply give you peace of mind that your system is doing just fine. Either way, you'll have clarity, and that's always a good place to start.